And from your perspective, what are some of the frontier areas that you are sort of thinking about? It's like a wish list almost. It's like, okay, these are the other areas where if I was able to use AI, it would actually help me and my job and deliver even faster. What are some of the areas that you're thinking about?
Yeah, I think on the data side, most of the time the data teams are like a separate within engineering org where they get like a lot of ad hoc requests or some mini projects. Hey, I want this dashboard built, or I need to have some deep analysis of this data. Like, make sense of the data which I have. So I see like an opportunity where AI can be smart enough to basically take Slack message, linear tickets, Jira tickets as a request and start working on it. It's already connected to your code base. It's connected to your data transformation platform. It also is connected to your warehouse as well. So with that knowledge, I feel like there's a way good chance of AI start doing some initial lifting to start with, where an analyst or an engineer or like a data scientist can just come in like, hey, I have the stuff ready. So I think that's where I see the AI in the developer workflow come in to basically help propel this forward. But all of this can be possible without any strong foundation in the data itself, strong foundation in data pipelines, and strong foundation on the data tooling which we have to make it possible.
No, that's very valid point, because you need that foundation to be able to accelerate, because otherwise the wheels will fall off somewhere between along the way, you know. Um, and what would you say to someone who hasn't yet explored AI from a analytics engineering or from a data modeling standpoint?
That's it. So if folks are not started using AI, especially on the data workflow, I think the way I see it, AI has been catered towards the full stack development side of things, and data comes later. So my advice is to get started, like whatever component. It doesn't have to be perfect. We can iterate on top of it, but you have to get started. Otherwise, we'll be missing the bus of this AI wave. I feel like, especially on the data workflows, you have to make sure like the tool does work for you rather than you working for the tools. Investing in the foundation in all the components which I said, like your data warehousing, data pipeline, data modeling, as well as your dashboard side of things. You have to invest in foundations so that like eventually as AI technology becomes better, they can see the AI can seamlessly integrate with the tools to help you propel faster.